Hello everyone, welcome to new video. Let's learn how to mention someone in your Instagram story. So let's start. First open your Instagram. After that I will go to share someone post on my story. Then when you do that you need to tap on this. Then go on mention. And type a nickname you want to tag. I will type nickname on this person on picture. Also you can change your appearance of mention. And when you finish, add on your story. Now if someone go on your story, and tap of that tag, he can go on profile you tag. So that is it for this video. If this video like you, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorial like this. Goodbye.